What's up YouTube, welcome back to CD Studio again. Today I got another discount on Sweatcoin, as I explained in the other video, and they had another deal, so I took advantage of that deal. Technology that I'm actually interested in, which is headphones, so I got this. This is the Tranya M10 14.2mm driver with wireless charging case. So these are true wireless earbuds from a company called Tranya. Don't know much about them at all, but they seem to be quite new on the market. And these look quite nice on the deal, so I thought let me get them. As you can see, the case is heat wrapped. Quite simple, you know. On the back, what have we got? It says Tranya M10 true wireless earbuds. Yeah, 14.2mm graphene driver, aptX and AAC technology. I don't know what that is, but okay, let's look into it. Type C charger and wireless charging. Yeah, that's good. Okay, 4 microphone system for clear calls. 1-step pairing, easy to control. Okay, now we've got the competencies here. Bluetooth product information can be found at www.tranya.com. Go check them out, contact them. Made in China, so this is Tranya M10 Bluetooth deep bass for business. I like it. I like the way it says that. Scan with the transparency app. Okay. Let me download transparency. Your product is computer headset with microphone. Okay. Alright, cool. I didn't know what transparency was, now I know what it is. Barcode scanner. Alright, so that's the headset there. It looks quite interesting to me, so I'm not going to waste any more time. We're going to get into it. So, let's see. Okay, so unboxing experience here. Got Tranya. What's this? Okay, so I'm guessing manuals and stuff. Oh, okay. 15-month warranty. Yeah, activate within 14 days. Yeah, register now and register warranty and get extra gifts. Gift card, free products, or coupon codes. Alright, cool. Don't worry, I'll be using that before it goes up, so don't even try it. Okay, we've got a sticker, premium sound, Tranya 100% original. Okay, and then that's the user manual. And that's that. We have the Type-C wire and the buds. So obviously for the different size of ears and the charger. Okay. This is the headset with the charging case. Alright, so whoops. I don't know why I didn't just slide it out, but anyway. That hit the floor quite hard. Scratched it a little bit. Oh well. Anyway, I thought it would be easy to rip off. Okay, as you can see, the case is quite slippery. That's not a good look. Maybe they should have made a bit more grippy, but it's really slippery in my hands here. Okay. So this is the little case. And that's the headset. Okay. The headset looks like it's on. Looks like it's looking to pair. Okay, so if I take this out, you can see the ergonomic design now, designed to be able to fit into your ear. This is the right, and this is the left. Okay. Oh. You can actually, it's actually a magnetic thing, so once it goes in there, it just clicks. Okay. I can hear something coming from it, but oh, and I think that there is battery life. Okay. So that's quite nice and smooth so far. It's all plastic in here. Ergonomic design, and yeah, it all clicks in there. They're not gonna fall out, and that's the case. I feel like they could have made the case out of something better, something a bit more tactile, so you don't drop it or it's not slippery. So yeah, let's go into here. Package list. Earbud to wireless charging case, ear tips, user manual, USB Type-C. Okay, you get extra 3-month warranty for free. That's fine. How to clear it, how to wear it. Okay, so they should go in your ear. Okay, oh, so what I was hearing, it says power on normal. Okay. So literally they just sit in your ear. Like that. Okay. And that's how they sit. I wonder how they look. Let's check my camera. Okay, so it just, you can see that there's something, but it doesn't protrude too much. Alright, so I mean, they actually feel good. You don't feel like there's something sitting in your ear, or sitting onto your ear. But yeah, they actually feel quite good. Okay, so that's the case there. They power on and off automatically. Yeah, to power them off, you put them back into the case. But if you want to turn one on individually or off, then you press down for 3 seconds to turn them off, 5 seconds to turn them off. 3 seconds to turn them on, 5 seconds to turn them off. Alright. Okay, so you can control play, pause. You can use either earbud to control your music. That's cool. Okay, sound effects, bass boost, okay. And it is up to 33 feet of range for the Bluetooth. Alright, so I'm going to connect these up, see how easy it is to connect. Okay. So they've just told me power off, so I'm going to turn them on. Okay. they're looking to pair. Okay, so I'm gonna pair with them. Tranya M10. Okay, connected. Active 100% battery. There you go. Okay, so I'm gonna play some tracks, and then I'll be back to tell you how they sound. Okay. I mean, I don't know if this will translate, but I'm gonna try it with the microphone anyway. Okay. Alright, so that's that test. I've got a few things to say. But yeah. Right now we're gonna test how they deal with phone calls. And yeah, I'll give it a shot. Hello? Hi, you alright? No, I'm calling from these fancy new headphones that I've got. Okay. Oh, that's good then. Alright. So what? It's very clear. Okay. Alright, cool. How's does it sound? Like, do I sound better than I do when I'm calling you on my normal phone? Okay. 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 That's good. Alright, thank you very much. That's all I wanted to know. Really? Okay. Right. Okay, cool. Okay, so the test for phone calls they actually sound better than I do on the phone through the Bluetooth connection in my car. So that's saying something. Okay, so I did the sound test, and they actually sound okay. They're better than your average. They're pretty much above par of the average sort of Bluetooth headset that you might find. You know, there's a lot of bass in there, but the bass is better with the bass boost function. It's not as good with normal mode. Okay, so it's good that you can get your bass, you can get that in there, but it's not it's not gonna beat my everyday headset. So my everyday Bluetooth headset is these Beats. I can't remember what they're called again. But I've had these for 3 years. I've had these for 3 years, and they've been my go-to everyday headset. I use them at work, I use them at home. Whenever I'm out working or whatever, these are what I use. And yeah, they go around the neck like that, but they never get in my way. And this is what I was hoping to replace with these if they were that good. But unfortunately, this time these don't win. The Tranya headset doesn't win, but it's nice that they have the functionality that they've got for the price that they come at. Yeah, so like I said, I got a deal and I got these for about £20, and they came quite quickly. So I will keep these. I will actually keep these to use, and I'll interchange both of them, but these do not beat the Beats, unfortunately. But they do take away having to have something hanging around my neck, and they're clear on the phone calls, and I'm sure I can use one or the other interchange like I do at work. I only use one headset. So with this, what happens is I use one and the other one is just hanging all day long, and that can get in the way sometimes. So yeah, I mean, I'm actually quite happy with them. They're decent for what you pay for them, for what they are. Wireless charging case. They could have done better with the charging case itself, but it's USB Type C, and I don't have much to complain about. They could have made the sound a bit better, but I don't see much for the airways in this. But they have achieved some good bass in there, so I'm happy with that. And it does what it says on the tin. It's got bass boost, and the bass boost was actually quite good, considering that if it's in normal mode, there is the depth in the sound, but voices are scratchy. It's a bit scratchy in there, and maybe they can develop that with their newer models. I've got another one coming. I think they're going to be the T10s. They're supposed to be better than these, so we'll see. But I'm happy with these. I'm going to keep them around for a while, test them, check out the brand and stuff like that. And yeah, if you have these, please let me know about your experience. If you have the model before or after these, or the Pro versions, let me know how they fare. But yeah, push a comment down below. Let me know what you think about the Tranya headset. These are the M10s. If you know which ones are better, let me know. I'll try and check them out. But yeah, I'm just happy to be doing budget tech again. So this is budget tech, and these are actually quite good for the price. These are really good for the price that they come at. Being fast charging, you have a charging case. The headset turns on and off on its own. It's got the functionality of deep bass on and off. You can use either earbud to change, pause, pick up a call, and all that. So you can do all of that with these for a fraction of the price of these. You know what I mean? Even though I've had those for 3 years, I am still looking for something to replace them. So I will be trialing these for longer. And yeah, that's the Tranya M10 headset. Let me know about your experiences, and yeah, I'll see you soon. Take care.